exclusive 2- and 3-bedroomed rental apartments which functions like a dream. Located in Vindigua along Kiambu Road, just 11 kilometers from the CBD and 29 kilometers from the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Every detail counts when it comes to the convenience of modern urban living, like a children's playground. Each room is en suite with modern bathrooms and an extra toilet for your guests. Spacious, stylish American-style kitchen, modern dobe for your laundry, fitted with a sink and rooftop to hang your clothes. And that's not all, a supermarket for all your shopping needs. Every morning, wake up to fantastic views and fresh air from stretching to sweating at our fully equipped gym. You and your family can shut your eyes every night feeling safe and satisfied with our 24-hour security. Just when you thought you wouldn't ask for more, Runda Court Apartments brings you a home with love and dreams. Hurry and rent your dream home by calling 0732 412 879 or email rundacourtapartments@gmail.com.
Sona moja imetengenezwa kwa njia spesheli ili kupambana na maumivu kwa haraka. Sona moja ina aspirin kama kiungo. Sona moja, kitulizo kamili. Maumivu yakizidi, pata ushauri wa daktari.
TV47, priding itself as the home of untold stories in multiple genres that are relatable to its audience. Tune in to Gotv channel 102 to enjoy unlimited, homely and unmatched content 24/7. From news coverage to hard-hitting political shows to inquisitive shows that provoke reason, the grind and the realtor to thought-provoking ones akin to Kilimo Diaries. Be conversant with Kenya's dynamic education system with Tasnia ya Elimu. Get unmatched entertainment straight to your living room with Bomba la Sana and All Access. The levels of local drama and telenovas are not left behind. Poka and Planya Siri will make you glued on screen, while The Judas Wife and Darkness of the Soul will soothe your soul. Enjoy TV47 on GoTV channel 102.
New year, and with a new year, new things. It's no different in the world of tech. Here's what you should look forward to this year. Expansion of 5G worldwide and the birth of 6G, continued growth in artificial intelligence and robotics, the growth of the metaverse, and so much more that you're not even ready for. When it comes to all things tech, Tech 47 is like an umbrella. You know why? We always have you covered.
The Nyali Golf View is situated along Links Road, Nyali, near the Mamba roundabout. Accommodation at the Nyali Golf View ranges from luxurious, air-conditioned, self-catering, elegantly designed 3-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 1-bedroom, and a presidential suite. The apartments are ideal for families and business people. Be it a holiday or a business conference, Nyali Golf View Residence is the right place for you. All rooms reflect exquisite and high-standard decor and cozy ambience that will enhance your stay. Nyali Golf View Residence also offers a fully equipped gym, the real infinity pool, laundry services, a valet parking space, and a play area for your children. The Nyali Golf View Residence delivers the best all-around hospitality. At the Nyali Golf View, you have room to think, room to play, room to recharge, room to walk tall, and room to unwind and dream, because it's not a room, it's a residence. For booking and reservation, contact us on 0757 298 272 or email us at nyaligolfview@gmail.com or visit our website at www.nyaligolfview.com.
New year, and with a new year, new things. It's no different in the world of tech. Here's what you should look forward to this year. Expansion of 5G worldwide and the birth of 6G, continued growth in artificial intelligence and robotics, the growth of the metaverse, and so much more that you're not even ready for. When it comes to all things tech, Tech 47 is like an umbrella. You know why? We always have you covered.
Welcome to the exciting world of M-Truck Solutions, your trusted provider for bulk SMSs. We also offer API integrations for all your communication and payment needs. We also provide you with tailor-made payment getaway solution to receive and disperse cash quickly, affordable and securely. Let us expand your reach and connectivity on USSD, SMS and voice today. Call us on 0723 030 030 or email hello@mtruck.limited.co.ke. For more details, visit our website www.mtrucklimited.co.ke.
She is the backbone of the family and the bedrock of a nation. She does not only bring life, but protects and nurtures it. However, it is not always as beautiful. They cry.
God had seen her fight enough.
Nilikuwa na feel nimefail hata watoi wangu.
Learn.
I told them to forgive me for failing, for abandoning them when they needed me the most, for not being the kind of mother they needed to have.
And most importantly, they conquer.
If at all you could have asked me to share my story in the past like 5 years, ningekwambia I do not even have any story to share.
Every Saturday at 8:30 p.m., Joy Irungu sits down with phenomenal women who get to tell their stories. This is 2022, and your midweek Wednesday 10:30 p.m. plan gets even more lit. We bring to you new and amazing segments, the newest Nganyas in town. To the coolest events in your city.
Everybody limbo to the right. So me and me gala hit.
Hi and a happy new year 2022. Welcome back to The Grind. I missed you people. For those who don't know me, my name is Violet Njaki, and today I've decided to bring you an exciting episode. Because you're starting off the year, we need to know what exactly goes on in business when it comes to accounting, and that is why today we're in that same industry. We are talking to certain consultancies, and they're going to be telling us everything that we need to know when it comes to accounting, from record keeping, bookkeeping, KRA as well. And I'm seated with one of the founders of these amazing consultancies, and I'm going to let him introduce himself just in case I say something wrong. So please introduce yourself to us and tell us what you do.
Okay, hi everyone. I'm Brighton Sesi, the CEO of Saiton Consultant. Which Saiton Consultant is an accounting firm, basically dealing with tax issues, accountancy, up to company registration. So it's a firm that has so many services that it has to offer.
Also, it's like a ball rounded into one.
A ball into one. So our idea coming up with Saiton Consultants, it's we found out there was a niche in the market where most of the people or companies didn't want to hire a full-time accountant.
Yeah. Oh wait, there are companies who don't have a full-time accountant.
Yes. So as we come in to fill that gap need. So like when we come into your company, we do what we have to do in accountancy. Let's say for 2 hours, 1 hour, and then we're done with the books. Again, come next week, same. So instead of having someone at your company, using all your resources, wasting time, as we do that, we offer that services. And we have through our experience, we have so wide, like we are into many wide sectors. Let's say from manufacturing, let's say from other service providers, transport.
So you don't choose the industry that you want to go to.
So that's why we do, like we see ourselves as pioneers in this sector, because other accountants will come and then you find they are basically into one sector, let's say manufacturing. Then he doesn't know what transport needs, or maybe what other sectors require. But for us as Saiton, we are so wide and vast into this information regarding to statutories, legalities in our country, tax laws. That's what we do provide for our clients.
Now you've said that you deal with a lot of industries, but before we even delve into that, how long has Saiton been operating?
Saiton is a child that was born in 2017.
Not that old, really.
Yeah, but our fully operation we started like in 2018. So we are 3 of us. We are CPA Enoch, who is our managing partner. We have Rose Ndunge, who is also the CEO. I am here myself, Ceci Brayton. All of us, we are CPAs, finalists and ICPAC members. So we are actually qualified to do what we are doing.
And when we say you're CPA, what does that mean?
A CPA is a certified public accountant. That's where you've done your CPA up to level 6, and then you are certified by the body, which is called ICPAC, which authorizes you or governs accountants in Kenya. So once you're a member and you do have the registration that are required, then you qualify to start working out as an accountant. Yes.
So let me ask, how did you 3 decide to come together and start this business? You have to okay, Enoch, you have this, I have this, Rose, you have this, then let's do this, or what happened?
So basically we used to work in various firms.
Or you were once employed?
We were once employed for us to gain the required experiences. And then when we used to work there, we analyzed the challenges that most of the companies used to face. Like the accountant who was told to do this, he doesn't know what is required of him. And then you find the company ends up in legal battle with the government or with the other companies or with other individuals. So we went and studied each and every thing that we were supposed to offer to various clients, depending on the nature of business they are operating with. So basically we do offer that to individuals. We do want to leave out individuals, and we do offer the same services to companies. When we mean companies, those are partnerships, and then we do the limited liabilities. Basically, all the companies we do offer the
So you don't become choosy like I only deal with companies. Even if I come to you as Violet, I need you to do this for me, you will do it.
Yes, actually, some of our clients are individuals who are in business. Others are employed. Like this, we are in January. So the hustle people usually go to file their returns at the end of the year, at the end of maybe June. They should avoid such hustles. Right now, they should come to such people like us. We guide them on how they are supposed to be filing their returns. And the KRA portal is very simple and direct. If you log in, you have your KRA PIN, your password, and even if you forgot your password, you just go in and reset. You find everything is intact. At that particular point, I usually want to say congratulate KRA for what they have been doing. Actually, a lot of guys are really amused by KRA, but I'm one of the person whom I'm really impressed by how KRA is working. Because they have really tried to improve. If you check from 2010 up to now, people used to go to queue at Times Towers, various. But right now you do at your comfort of your desk. It may it be anything concerning KRA, you just do it at the comfort of your, unless you have something maybe they've requested you to take to the office, then you have to do so.
So now that you've told me you're 3, do you specialize in one area, like you do KRA and the others do the other stuff?
Okay, all of us will do the same, all services, but we do specialize on our various individual level. For me, I've done so much with KRA, so I do understand KRA issues. So when a client comes, I'm able to handle KRA to the perfection. Enoch understands bookkeeping properly, be it QuickBooks, be it other services. He does that perfectly. At the same time, he does KRA, but we specialize in for bookkeeping. The other lady, Rose, she specializes in Sharia house returns, company registration, sole proprietor registration. So she does that perfectly. But all of us, we know, we in the one sector, and we do. When I'm not there, he can be able to handle what I'm not able to do.
Yeah.
When he's not there, I can be able to handle what he's able. I'm able to do.
Yeah. So when it comes to KRA, you know, when it comes to filing, not a lot of people understand as to why we need to file taxes. But you've been able to major in this, you've been able to understand this. Will you explain as to why we need to do this?
Yeah, because once someone has a KRA PIN, and a KRA PIN is almost becoming a necessity to each and every individual, made for bank opening account, maybe for even for students, even for you to apply for help, you need to have a KRA PIN.
Yes.
And once you have that, you need to know the first action you need to take at the end of every year. You need to file your income tax returns. That's for individual and for the companies.
Yes.
Let's say you don't have any income. KRA has given you an option to file a nil income, a nil return. That one you avoid a penalty of 10,000 for companies and 2,000 for individual. That's per annum. So that's why sometimes maybe someone took KRA PIN and doesn't know I'm supposed to do this by this particular dates. Another thing is the due dates. Most of the companies or individuals don't know when the returns are due. Like let's say we have pay, which is supposed to be done by 9th of every next month.
Okay, wait, so you have to
have...
I thought the pay comes with your actual monthly salary.
Yeah, that's the monthly salary. Those are monthly returns we are talking about. So like pay, we need to be done by 9th of every month, next month. Same to VAT, it's supposed to be done by 20th of next month. Let's say we're doing for January. For now, we are doing returns for December. By 20th, we need to have done VAT. For pay, we need to, for December, it's supposed to be done by 9. And then the other is like income tax, which is supposed to be done by 30th June. But if you're in a paying position, you need to pay that amount by April. So that's where sometimes you find someone say, I filed my return by June, but KRA gave me a penalty. Because they didn't know like they were supposed to pay these by these particular dates. We have other things like we call installment taxes, turnover taxes. Those are basically, you do them quarterly. So, and we have them, we do offer such services to our clients, and for individuals, we do offer such services for those who have sole proprietor businesses. We do offer filing of their individual returns also.
So when I come to you as an individual or even as a company and I want for you to open for me my KRA portal, or rather like to register me in the KRA, how will I go through that process?
So first of all, we request to have your KRA PIN with us. We log into KRA, where we call it iTax, the iTax platform. Once you're on the iTax platform, if you don't forget, if you have your password with you well and right, we'll just continue and log in. But if you don't have your password, we do what we said, password reset. It's a direct thing. So once you've logged it, KRA will respond with a new password for you to log in. And then after there, everything is, your profile will be just there on the screen. You'll be able to check how many years you've failed to file or how many years you've been filing, what you've been filing. It's called a self-assessment filing. Yeah. So once you have a self-assessment, now KRA will come and review what you declared. They've given you an opportunity to file, to assess yourself, what you've received, and then you file the accurate. If you don't file the accurate, they have their own ways of identifying the errors, and then they will maybe respond to you, write a letter to you. They say you need to check on 1, 2, 3 issues. Kindly provide your bank statements, provide your books, any other expense that you've incurred, provide for us. And then that's where you find people now start panicking. Yeah, but they should not panic. What they should do, they should approach people like us, site-owned consultant, able to guide them on how they are supposed to approach such cases.
Now, before we go on the break, I would like you for me to answer for me, how do you charge your clients, like an individual and a company? How do you charge them for you to do this business, for example?
Because our charges are ranging from various. It depends on the work that's supposed to be done. Because if you go, we can't give a quote like this is what we give, this is what we charge. we have to check on the client's turnovers, we have to check on the magnitude of work. You know, there you go to a certain client, he doesn't have any system in place. Maybe Enoch will explain on that. So we have to do bookkeeping afresh, so that we can get the reports reports are required.
So you can't give like an estimate price on how much you charge. It may range maybe from how much to how much.
Because most of our clients are still in startup. For startups, we do in between 100 to 200, and then established companies we do beyond 200. Yeah, depending on the job.
When you say 200, 200 shillings?
200,000.
200,000. Wow, 200,000. Wow, okay. Well, I'm going to learn quite a bit about KRA. I actually didn't know how to file my taxes, but I think I've gotten the right person to talk to who's going to explain to me how I'm supposed to do that before June. You're going to take a short break, but we'll be right back to understand more about this amazing business.
You are watching TV47, the home of Untold Stories.
Afisas, nina criminal ameniibia kitu kwa nyumba.
Funga yetu enda ofisa. Fande bufungua hapa. Simkule ka breakfast kidogo alafu twende. Simshakula evidence.
Ati nini?
Exhibit mumekula.
Ndio ripiwa? Sinijia ilikuwa beiba. Tumekula exhibit.
Selector, the difference is in the taste.
You are watching TV47, the home of Untold Stories.
Welcome back to The Grind. For those who missed the first part, my name is Violet Njeki. While I've been talking to Brighton of Saiton Consultancies, and we've been talking about KRA filing your taxes. And I've got to understand why it is important for you as an individual and even as a company to file those taxes. Well, in that part, you've had him mention a lot, Enoch. Bookkeeping, we leave it to Enoch. Well, now I'm seated with Enoch, and he's going to explain to me what exactly it comes to what exactly bookkeeping entails. Because when you ask me, stocking a library, that is bookkeeping. But when it comes to accounting, what is bookkeeping? But before you explain that to us, please introduce yourself to us so that it's going to introduce Vibaya.
Thank you so much. I'm CPA Enoch. Basically, bookkeeping entails is only the recording of your daily transaction for a given business for you to come up, or you can present those financial information of a given business within a given period of time.
So when you say period of time, do you as the CPA tell them I need your record from this year to that year, or the company has to just bring everything to you?
So basically it depends with the accounting period of a given company. Because most of the company in Kenya, they run from January to December. And you can find others running from, say, June to, say, 1st July the following year. So basically what we do, we normally request for documentation from January to the end of that accounting period. Yeah.
When you say documentation, what exactly do you want from that company?
So basically, we require sales invoices of a given business. Number 2, we request for supplier invoices. Number 3, we request for bank statements. Number 4, we request for payrolls or master rolls for the employees. Then also we request for petty cash for us to start recording those transactions.
So you have to key in like everything that you see on those receipts?
Yeah. For bookkeeping, you must have an accounting software.
Oh, it's must
have. You must have an accounting software. Unlike some years back, people were used to record using books. You found that most of the business, you found business owners recording using counter books. But that one has changed over years because of change of technology. Now, you must have an accounting software. For us, we have QuickBooks, we have Tally, ERP9, we have Sage, and we have others, depending on whatever client uses.
Yes.
because now we are well versed and we are conversant with these accounting softwares. That's why we came up with QuickBooks, and we have also the Tally. So with that, we can be in a position to record your daily transactions and present them in a manner that you can give it to someone for him or her to make his own or her own decisions. Yeah.
So do you give like different companies use different softwares, or all companies same software?
Because now you find most of these clients that we have, you find a given client wants to use QuickBooks. You find another client want to use Tally. You find another one, he insists in using Sage. So you must be conversant with these all softwares.
Also, wait, so let me say I have a company. I have to also know what I want to use when it comes to bookkeeping. Is it QuickBooks, is it Tally? Do I have to know it, or do I just come to you and ask, and you tell me which is the best for my company?
Not necessary, because now, because we are doing this job on behalf of you.
Yes.
There's no need for you to know these things.
To know these things, yeah.
Because we are the one doing it. We just, if you want them, we can train. We can train you. We come, we install if you want QuickBooks or Tally, we install that QuickBooks. We take you through how to record, how to invoice, how to receive the payment, how to extract those reports from a given accounting software.
So these reports that you extract are what will be used now by Brighton for KRA?
So the reports that we normally, because now bookkeeping, first of all, you'll have to key in the sales, the sales invoices. Number two, from out of the sales invoices, you have to receive those payments from those given sales. Then number three, you have the suppliers. You enter the bills, you pay the bills, you enter the petty cash. Then out of that one, you pay using either cash, M-Pesa, or bank. So from there, you'll do what we call, in accounting, we call it reconciliation. You do a bank reconciliation. So at the end of the day, you'll come up with balances that are exactly the way the business is. So
that is one thing that we have to follow. Even if you're not an accountant, you have to start from somewhere. Build yourself from one step going to the next. Well, that is all we had for you here today. Remember to talk to us on all our platforms, TV47 Kenya, on all our platforms of Violet Njoki, and tell us what business you want us to feature. What do you want to see next? What do you want to hear? Well, that is all we had for you. My name is Violet Njoki. Until next week, when you go to another business, another entrepreneur, see you soon.